Continuing the discussion on linear equations here in 8.3. So these problems are very similar. I mean, looking at something like number 1 here, this is one where I would say, let me find the LCD for the whole equation, and then go ahead and multiply both sides by the LCD. So that would be 12, right? Okay, so 12 divided by 4 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Half of 12 is 6. Combine the like terms. Multiply by -1. Let's see if I check that one. Okay, so 3 halves minus 4 halves, -1/2. We'll do something similar with number 2. The LCD is 10. Okay, so that leaves me a 2. Distribute. Combine the like terms. And shall we check it? So it checks. Okay. I do the same thing with number 3. Okay, distribute. So 9 divided by 3 leaves me with 3. 1 on the right. Add the 9. And 5/6. Let's check. What do I have? 10/9 minus 9/9. Oh, look at that. 1/9. So all of these, I guess, are kind of similar. Where I would start by multiplying both sides by the LCD. So 6 and 3 leaves me 2 and 2. So then I'll distribute my 4. So looks like y is 24/9, divide by 3, 8/3. Let's check. Okay, what is that? 10/3. Yes, it's a true statement. All right, the LCD here would be 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 12 divided by 12 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And 12. Distribute. Combine like terms. And divide. Let's see, 3 times x plus 2 over 4 minus x over 12. So let's start with, so here I'm starting with the left-hand side. I'm simplifying the left-hand side. Negative 27 over 2 plus 2 over 4 plus 9 over 24 multiply by 2 over 2 negative 27 plus 4 over 8. This is a harder one, huh? Let's see, divide by 3. Phew, so that's the left-hand side. So now I have to look still at the right-hand side. And make sure I get the same thing. So the right-hand side was x, or x was negative 9/2 see, divide by 3. So I guess I didn't reduce this one. Divide by 4. Oh my goodness, so we get the same thing. So our solution here does check. That's a long one. Okay, what about 6? So what is the LCD there? Looks like that would be 12. Okay, 12 divided by 4 leaves 3. 12 divided by 6 is 2. Okay, distribute the 3. Combine like terms. So this one's interesting because here when I go to combine my m's, actually the m's cancel out. So what I get here is a false statement. 3 is not equal to negative 12. So in that case, I conclude this equation actually has no solutions. LCD's 12 again. Looks like a popular LCD. Twelve divided by 3 is 4. 12 divided by 12 is 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Okay, distributed everything. Combine the like terms. So this is interesting. So here I get a statement that's always true. 9x plus 3 is always equal to 9x plus 3. If I were to continue, three is always equal to 3. In fact, 0 is always equal to 0. So the solution set for this one is all real numbers. In other words, any number that I plug into this equation will be a solution. In other words, I can pick any number that I want, any real number, and plug that into this equation, and I will get a true statement. Shall we try a couple with decimals? Let's see. Add 4.6, how about? 0.7y, 0.4y, 2.4. Subtract. So here's what I would probably do for this one. I have some options. I could divide by 0.3, but that's a little hard to deal with. So my thought is I could actually get rid of the decimal by multiplying by 10. Because 0.3, when I multiply it by 10, it moves the decimal one place right, and then I just have 3y equals 24. So it's actually very easy to get my solution then if I get rid of that decimal. What to do first with this one? Shall we get rid of the decimals immediately? So I have some ideas, but that's one thought. So what if I multiply the whole equation by 10 on both sides? So 50 minus 2 times m minus 2 is 36m plus 16. Distribute. Let's add the 2m. Subtract 16. $38. Oh, cool. M is 1. That's the last one. Okay, looks easier. Let's see. Multiply both sides by 3. Leaves me 4. 2n plus 1. 6n minus 18. Distribute. Subtract 4. And so n is negative 11. Let's check that one. This is interesting. Oh, it does come out right.